now in Ignatius Jesuit Center in the Station of the Cosmos. So this is the first station. The universe flares forth 13 to 15 billion years ago. The second station, emergence of galaxies including our Milky Way galaxy 10 to 13 billion years ago. Station number 3, formation of stars including our sun 4.5 billion years ago. Station number 4, development of planets including our Earth and Moon 4.45 billion years ago. And the distance between station is the time, like how far it has been from station 4 to 5. So from 45 billion years to 4.4 billion years ago. Oh no, not 45, I think it was 14. So early Earth is covered with water. Station number 5. Station number 6, emergence of first living cells in the seas 4 billion years ago. Station number 7, development of photosynthetic bacteria in the seas 3.9 billion years ago. Station number 8, meiotic sexual reproduction of early cells 1 billion years ago. Okay, station number 9, multicellular organisms and the diversification of life in the seas 600 million years ago. Station number 10, plants venture forth from the sea and gymnosperms develop 425 million years ago. Station number 11. Now all of the stations are closer, so from again the beginning, and then it became there, and then now it's being clustered closer. So station 11, the time of the dinosaurs 235 million years ago. Station number 12, the time of the flowering plants 230 million years ago. Station 13, the birds emerges 150 million years ago. Station 14, marsupial mammals 125 million years ago. Number 15, asteroids collide with Earth, mass extinction 67 million years ago. Station 16, Cenozoic era, amazing creativity 65 million years ago. So after mass extinction, after a big calamity, amazing creativity. So I think that is a sign. 17, mammalian life blossoms 40 million years ago. Number 18, a particular mammal emerges, Homo sapiens, us 200,000 years ago. Number 19, aboriginal societies and primal worship 40,000 years ago. Number 20, agricultural societies 9,000 years ago. The beginning, station 21 of the development of world's religion 6,000 years ago. Station 22, the rise of modern science 500 years ago. Station 23, the Industrial Revolution and increased human-induced extinction of species 300 years ago. So this is when humans started to have a very big impact to the world because of our activities and pollution, and it is inducing extinction of species, plants, animals around the world. Only 300 years ago. So, Station 24, we see Earth from space for the first time. 1968, 1968, 1966. So around 60 years ago. And currently, the present moment of grace. Okay, so that is the stations of the cosmos. Starting with the beginning.